Mr. Speaker. Again, I'd like to thank the Department of Health officials who spent essentially 2 days with us. Thank you so much for addressing many, if not
Okay.
most, of our concerns.
Okay.
And Mr. Speaker, having no more members of the minority.
Mr.
Mr. Speaker, we join the minority in their motion to terminate the period of
Madam
debate.
Speaker.
Department of Clearance. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Kanya
There's
na
a
ba
joint
ang
motion to
nangyayari ngayon
terminate
dito sa
interpolations
atin?
of the proposed budget of the Department
No.
of Health. Is there any
Madam
objection? The
Mr.
chair
Mr. Speaker,
hears
have a
none.
motion ruling,
Let me
please.
question the
Interpolations on the proposed budget of the Department of Health is hereby
Let me
terminated.
question the quorum, Mr.
Mr.
Speaker.
Speaker.
Session suspended.
Mr. Speaker.
Session is resumed. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I now move that we recognize the Honorable Minority Leader, the Honorable Nonoy Libanan, for his turno en contra.